I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon affiliate link for a product and add tracking so that you know exactly where your sales are coming from and which of your marketing efforts are doing the best, okay? Because you want to spend more time on those places that are yielding you the best results as opposed to just operating blindly and seeing clicks come through and not necessarily know where they're coming from, right? That's if you're promoting on several different platforms. All right, so let's go straight into it. As you can see on screen right now, we are on the home page of Amazon.com. You want to be logged in to your Amazon account where you have your affiliate account, right? Your associates account. If you are, you should see something here, like as you can see on the top left-hand corner where it says influencers and associates SiteStripe. If you have that, then you're logged into the correct account, or you're logged into your affiliate account. All right. And basically all you want to do to get your link, like if you just click here on get link, this would essentially generate a link right here. This would generate a link that would take any individual who clicks on it to the Amazon homepage. But that is not typically what you want to be doing. You want to be sending people specifically to the exact product that you are promoting, okay? So for instance, if we were to go pick on this one right here, this was something that I was looking at earlier, just because it's a mic. In fact, that's the mic I'm using right now. So if I went there, it will take me to a page that looks like this, okay? All right, and so when you're here, you want to make sure that that you have the right quantity and everything is basically the exact same thing that you're trying to promote, okay? So this mic is the one that I'm using, and if I wanted to promote it, basically all I would do is come to the page and make sure you're on the page of the product you want to promote, and then you click on get link, okay? And this link right here, that short link is my affiliate link. That is the affiliate link to this particular product, okay? And the store ID, as you can see here, Mordig20, that is also the tracking ID, right? So that the name of my store is Mordig20, and then my tracking ID is Mordig20. All right. Now, if I, for instance, wanted to promote this mic on my blog, right? And I also wanted to promote the same mic, same page on YouTube, ideally I would want to have a unique tracking ID that tracks sales coming from my blog, and a different tracking ID that tracks sales coming from my YouTube channel. All right. As a matter of fact, for those of you who have been following the series that I have, there's a playlist link below if you want to keep up. For those of you who are not aware of it, if you want to see all the previous videos, there's a playlist linked in the description below this video. All right. I am actually in the process of trying to generate sales on a brand new channel right now. So if you have different tracking IDs already created, okay, when you come to create your affiliate link, if you click here where it says tracking ID, if you click on the drop down box, you'll see all the different tracking IDs that you have. Right now, I've only created one extra tracking ID, and that is a tracking ID for the YouTube channel, the brand new YouTube channel that I created, that I'm going to be using to try to generate sales from scratch within those 180 days, okay? Now, I'm going to promote this mic, this affiliate link, on this particular channel right now that you're watching, okay? By the time you're watching this video, there should be an affiliate link in the description of this video for this particular mic for anyone who's interested in getting a mic similar to that. But I'm just going to go ahead and create an additional tracking ID so you can see how to do it, right? Because I haven't created one just yet, so let's just go ahead and do that. If I wanted to create an additional tracking ID for this particular mic, and which is unique to just this YouTube channel you're watching, what you'd want to do is log into your associates account, right? And once you're in there, okay, this is mine right here. You can see we're still at 0 everything. I haven't promoted anything just yet. This promotion this link I'm about to create now will be the first time I'm actually actively promoting having an affiliate link out there, right? So you would come here. What you want to do is come to your where you have the email, come to your drop down box, right? And then you want to go to manage your tracking IDs. Okay, and then this is my store, Mordic20, right? And then you just click on add a tracking ID. So I'm going to do one for my YouTube channel, right? This YouTube channel you're watching right now. So I am Christian M, and then I'm going to add YT for YouTube. Like, let's just say I had my blog, I would put like blog at the end of it or something like that. Okay, so I am Christian M, and then YT, YouTube. Let's just go ahead and create it, and that's it. It's as simple as that. I am Christian M, YT-20, created successfully. There's always going to be a 20 at the end of all your tracking IDs that you create. That is just basically a way to denote which particular region you're in. Go ahead and close, and then here you can see all your tracking IDs that are available. Okay, so now if we go back to that product, right, the mic that I wanted to promote, okay, we're on the page of it. If I wanted to promote this using the tracking ID I just created for this YouTube channel, what we want to do is refresh the page, because if I go to click on create link right now, and then you click on the drop down box, it's not there yet. Okay, so what we want to do is refresh the page. Okay, so refresh the page, and then go now to create to get the link. Let's see. Oh, it's loading. I shouldn't have clicked on it again. All right, just give it a second. All right, let's try it again. There we go. All right, and then we click on where beside tracking ID, we click that drop down box. You'll see it has been added. All right, so Christian M is the one I want to use right now, so I'm going to click on that. And then when you click on it, you want to click on get link again. All right, and so there you have the new ID, right? The new link. And if you want to verify to make sure that it's the right one, you just click on full link and then scroll down. You should be able to see the new tracking, the new ID in there somewhere. Okay, there it is. All right, so I am Christian M, YT, so I know I've got the right one, but we want to use this short link. All right, so that's the short link we want to use. All right, and we would go ahead and copy that, and we can paste that. I'm going to paste that in the description of my YouTube video, so if you want to get the same mic, you'll be able to get it right there. Okay, and then one last thing I want to add, very important, everywhere you put your Amazon affiliate link, you want to make sure you have a disclosure disclosing that you are an affiliate. Okay, so here's an example of one that you could use that I've just pulled right here. So if you look here, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. When you click on links to various merchants on this channel, make a purchase, this can result in this channel earning a commission. Affiliate programs and affiliations include but are not limited to the eBay partner network, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that's just an example of something that you could use, but you need to make sure that you put some kind of disclosure in your YouTube description as close to the link. I mean, ideally you want to have, anywhere you're promoting, anywhere online, you want to make sure that you have that disclosure on that page, ideally as close to the link as possible. Okay, so when you see me post this link in the description below this video, if you scroll down, you will see that I have a disclosure very similar to this one, saying that, so something along the lines of me saying I'm an Amazon associate, and I will earn a commission at no additional cost to you, that type thing. Okay, so that is essentially it in a nutshell. All right, now for those of you joining me for the first time, as I mentioned earlier, this video is part of a series that I started, a playlist that I have, and this is it. It's going to be linked in the description below. If you click on it, it'll take you to a page that looks similar to this one, with the addition of this new video that I created. If you're interested and want to see someone start from scratch, go through the process of trying to generate sales from scratch with the Amazon affiliate program, just come to the playlist right here and just start watching. You can see everything that's going on, everything that I'm doing, all in an effort to help you do the same. If the whole hope and idea is that I am successful in generating these sales. Okay, so this is the playlist. This is where I'm going to be updating everything that I'm doing with regards to Amazon in this 180-day case study / challenge or so. All right, that will be it for now. Any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.